Hey everybody, how's it going? Christian from Treasure Town here, and today we're going to be talking about the 1947 S penny, and it's another one of my wheat cent cherry picker videos where we talk about one coin from one date in depth and discuss how a few of these coins are going to have errors, varieties, and abnormalities that make them worth a lot more than the normal value of a wheat penny, which is only a few cents. So in this case, we're going to be talking about a rare die variety on the 1947S. It's pretty small, but you can find them and they're out there. And it basically means that something went slightly wrong in the minting process of doing this coin. So we'll first, talk in depth. This coin does not have the error, but about where on the coin you're going to look for the error. And then we'll get into a PowerPoint presentation where I have some images of the error, and we'll also talk about values at that point. So we're going to be to the point, so we'll get to the next part of this video. And now I will show you exactly where to be looking for this coin error. And for the 1947S, the error is going to be found on the S mint mark. Right below the date, that little S there, and it's going to be a repunched mint mark. Basically, what happened is that the mint mark is punched separately from the rest of the die. And when that happens, sometimes the mint mark doesn't take, so they have to try to punch it again. And as such, it's like an imprint of two separate mint marks. Normally there's one faintly in the background, but I'll show you the photo for it, and then we'll get to the values. And here we have the 1947S repunched mint mark. You can see here that it's not extremely clear, but there's definitely it looks like a split serif, really just a repunching in the top of the S, a little bit underlying and maybe a little bit of a curl kind of in the middle of that south spread. But you can see, yeah, it's pretty closely tightly married, I guess. In AU53, this is not super expensive. It's like a $200 or a $20 coin, excuse me. Mint State 63, it's going to be a $60 coin, and then Mint State 65 red, about $150. So it's definitely just something that you should be on the lookout for, right? Because if there's coins that are in graded, like high graded holders, if you could find one of these, the value can scale really quickly beyond $150 if you find it in a more, preserved, better, nicely struck condition. So it's definitely something that's at least worth knowing that it could be out there, looking for it and pursuing it actively. Thanks for watching the video. I'd encourage you to like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel and connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I also have a website, treasuretownYT.com, where you should go so that you can learn more about coins as well as what's happening on the channel and possibly find a place to sell your coins and collectibles. I also want to talk about some of my other projects like coinmeltprice.com, which shows precious metals prices as well as the melt values of coins containing those precious metals, both US and world. I also have coinsmetalscards.com, which will develop into a full marketplace as well as a news source for coins, metals, cards, as the name might suggest. And then treasuretowncoins.com, which long-term will be my coin dealing entity separate from the channel. And lastly, whatsthegrade.com, which will be a stickering service for already certified collectibles where you can get a approval or verification of the grade on the holder. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you on some of my other videos.